All right, this is a video which will replicate a famous physics experiment called the double slit experiment. And the experiment setup is basically a laser light. That's that yellow device there. It's a red laser beam, which is then shined through a double slit to split the light into two separate beams and see what happens when it's projected on a screen at the distance, in the distance. In this case, rather than a double slit, I just have a circular hole with a single strand of hair, vertical strand of hair, and that will be used to divide this beam into two separate beams divided by the hair, and then that will be projected onto this screen in the distance, that white screen. It's about 6 feet away. We'll see what happens. What you would expect to see when the light just shines through the hole and does not hit the hair is just a single dot on the screen. And then then the beam is then moved such that the hair divides the light into two separate beams, you might expect to see that single beam with a shadow of the hair dividing it into two halves. Um, so we'll see what we actually see in this experiment. It's a surprising result, showing that light is actually showing some wave-like properties. We'll see destructive and constructive interference and a very interesting, surprising result. So let me move the camera over here so that it's facing the screen. We'll see the pattern there. I'm going to turn on the laser, shine it through the hole. I'll shut the lights off so that we get the best look at this. And here we go. Okay, so we just start with the basic laser pointing through the hole and not hitting the hair. So we see a single dot. Now I'm just going to move it over slowly until the light hits the hair. There it is. And now it's split into two separate beams by that hair. And you can see we get an interference pattern of light and dark regions of that red light, which is showing that there's a constructive and a destructive interference happening, which is a rather surprising result. And this is a replication of the famous double slit experiment, showing some of the quantum nature and the surprising nature of the behavior of light. That's it. Thank you for watching.